This topic is super important. If you running Google Ads, you need to understand the different bidding strategies that Google offers. Inshallah, today we will learn about all bidding strategies, how they work, and exactly when we use which bidding strategies. Basically, two types of bidding strategies in Google: automated bid strategies and manual bid strategies. First, let's explain manual bid strategies: how to use the bid and when to use. Manual bid strategies is basically where you can control your CPC exactly how you want. For example, if you are using manual bidding, you can control bids based on ad groups, keyword, audience, and location. For example, if your ads performing well in one location, you can increase the bid there. And if your ad is not doing well another location, you can lower the bid there. You can do the same with keywords. For keywords that bring more conversion, you can increase the bid, and for keywords with fewer conversion, you can lower the bid. You should manual bid strategies when your Google Ads account is new, launching a new campaign. This way you can control your spending and manage your budget effectively. Automated bid strategies, opposite of manual bid strategies. Google decide your bids automatically based your campaign goals, previous data, and real-time auction signals. Inside automated bid strategies, there are four options. Let's explain. The first option: maximize clicks. When our campaign objective is to get website traffic, we use the maximize clicks bidding strategy. In this bidding type, the average CPC is usually low, and we can also set up maximum CPC bid limit. We tell Google the highest amount we are willingly to pay for click. If we set the bid rate to $5, Google will not spend more than $5. And when our campaign objective is to get leads or sales, we use maximize conversion bidding strategy. In this strategy, we can also set up targeted CPA, which tells Google the maximum amount we are willingly to spend for conversion based on our previous performance data. Maximize conversion value is used when we want to optimize based on order value. Previously, we had 10 conversion with a total order value of $500. Now we want 5 conversion but still want the total order value to be $500. This bidding strategy is mostly used for e-commerce campaign. Here we can also set up targeted ROAS. This means we tell Google for every $1 I spend on ads, how many dollars in revenue do I want to get back. Target impression share is used when we want our ad to show on a specific position on Google search result. We can tell the Google show my ad top of result page 90% time, and CPC bid maximum $10. CPC must be set based on previous data. You can also choose absolute top of result page anywhere on result page. So we can say bidding means telling Google, this is my campaign objective, spend this much budget to get me conversion.